Pacific Appliance Repair Services. This is the unit that we work on. Was really dirty coils, so I cleaned the coils. I brought the hose and cleaned the coils. Then filter was missing. I will replace filter, and what was job was it, I added Freon. So now Freon is completely added. It's working well. This is the pressures, so it's fixed. Pressures R22 Freon. It's 65 by 280. Basically it's fixed. Thank you for watching.